awkward naman na gumawa ng message na farewell sa isang Dabarkads. Elvira Magbo or LV in short. Nako, it's really very shocking. Shocking ba? Or doon na nagpapahiwatig ka na you might transfer sa Mindoro. Pero denial stage pa rin tayo eh. Parang sabi ko nga, nagjo-joke lang tong si LV. Tapos di ba nga, nung nandun tayo sa birthday ni paring June, sinabi nga natin, kailan ka kailan ka magre-retire? Ikaw na lang ang hinihintay para wala nang dahilan para magsabi na may work kami or wala kaming time na magpunta dyan sa banding ng Dabarkads. Pero unfortunately, talagang decided ka na mag-transfer ka before pa na mag-retire ka sa Mindoro. So, what we can do? But to be happy for your decision. Kasi yan talagang spirit ng Dabarkads eh. You might not be physically with us, but syempre, in our hearts and in our thoughts, nandyan ka. The only thing is that, namimiss namin yung companionship mo eh. Kasi sa lahat ng lakad, nandun ka eh. Present ka. Ako nga minsan wala sa mga lakad nyo eh. Pero most of the time, talagang present kayo ni paring Bobby sa mga lakaran ng Dabarkads. Anyway, to make this message short, all I can say is all the best, Maring LV, sa iyong napiling decision na mag-for good or mag-stay dyan sa Mindoro. And papasyalan ka namin, of course. One of these days, papasyalan ka namin dyan sa Mindoro. And all the best for you. Always stay pretty, stay cool, tsaka syempre, stay safe. Yun. Mamimiss ka namin talaga sobra. But, like I said, all the best sa inyong dalawang mag-asawang si Bobby. Kasi alam ko naman later pa susunod sa iyo yung si Bobby eh. Pero all the best. And nandito lang pa rin. Kumbaga nandito pa rin ang Dabarkads. Solid pa din tayo. Miski physically, hindi ka na namin ma-reach dito sa Meda Heights. By phone, by virtual call, nandiyan ka pa din. Always stay pretty, stay safe. Going to miss you. Bye!
Hello po, Tita LV. I would just like to thank you po for always being there sa family po. And also, pag may kailangan po kami, lagi po kayo nandyan. And hindi po kayo nag-hesitate. Thank you so much po sa lahat po ng tulong nyo. And we're sad. The family is sad because of your decision po to move nga po. But then, ako po, I personally understand. Kasi po parang, I believe, similar po yung situation natin. So, naiintindihan ko po, there's decisions na we need to make. Though, it's parang hindi po yun yung gusto sana natin. Pero, due to some circumstances, pinupush tayo na to make the decision. So, I just wish po na maging okay po ang paglipat niyo po. And then, hopefully po, makadalaw pa rin po kayo or madalaw po namin kayo doon. Basta po, we're praying po for you and wishing you all the best, success, and happiness and good health. Thank you po, Tita, and God bless po. Bye po.
Hi, Tita LV. First of all, gusto ko po kayong i-congratulate sa bago niyo pong role and sa inyong promotion. At the same time, gusto ko din po kayong i-wish ng good luck. Of course, expectedly, meron po mga challenges and also changes that you'll encounter along the way. Mahirap man po yung naging decision ninyo to move. I know it will all be worth it in the end. You are a good person po to me, to my family, and everyone. And I believe na yung blessing po na meron kayo, this is one way of God's way of bringing you back the favor po and the goodness that you have done for others. So, kahit po magiging mahirap yung transition ninyo, I hope you'll trust na this is a plan that is made for you by God. Kaya just please hold on to your faith na it will all work out fine in the end. Thank you, Tita, for everything that you have done sa akin po at sa pamilya ko. We will never forget each and every favor po na nagawa niyo sa amin, no matter how little, and especially the big ones. Maswerte po kami na meron kaming Tita LV na katulad nyo. Hindi man kami na-blessed ng biological auntie na kasing bait ninyo. At least we have a neighbor that we treat as family. So, thank you so much, Tita, for everything. We wish you good luck and we wish you success. May all the blessings of the Lord be given to you. Take care.